When you have your entire household full of smart home devices like your lights, thermostats and security cameras, you want a night mode so you won't wake people up during the middle of the night when commanding your Google Home devices. So that's what we're going to check out today, and how to enable night mode on your Google Home device. Yes, hello, welcome! Welcome back guys to another tech video with Human and Suten, a tech how-to video. Wow, we have grown together so much as a YouTube family, and please support us. We are so humbled with your support, and don't forget to subscribe so we can grow even more together. Human and Suten how to tech, Human and Suten tech tours, Human and Suten tech. Okay, so now we're in the Google Home app menu, and to enable this night mode we want to scroll down to our desired Google Home device, and here we're gonna choose kökhögtalare, which is our kitchen speaker, and then you press the settings here and you scroll down to night mode, and here in night mode you just press enable night mode, and then you press a start time, and we're gonna take 9 p.m. which is 21:00 here in Sweden, 24-hour clock, and then to 9 a.m. and then you can choose which days, and we're gonna take Monday to Sunday, and then you can choose your desired LED brightness at night, and we'll take about in the middle there, and then maximum volume at night, and we'll take approximately 30% there, and then you just go back to your Google Home app menu and we're done. Wow, that's how easy it is to enable night mode in the Google Home app. So please do this if you have children, so your children can sleep safely at home at night, so your Google Home won't wake your children up. Google Home night mode, that's how easy it is. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment down below if you have any questions of how to do this or any other tech question, and me and Suten will gladly help you. And don't forget to like this video so we can grow this channel even more, and don't forget to share this video with anyone that you know that has a family and a smart home house, because this is a great combination. And don't forget to press that bell icon so you can get notified of our recent uploads. And the most important things of them all, the subscribe button. Don't forget that. So Human and Suten Tech, so we can grow together and better. Thank you so much. And remember, this is Human and Suten.